I guess I will get things started before you get bored. The whole point of the exercise is to demonstrate that, as a new shooter, one shouldn't spend too much time and money on new sights, be it target sights or optics. Look, no front sight, no rear sight, not even longitudinal channel in the Picatinny rail. No shit. Let's take a look. Not bad eye, from 25 meters. 2 10s, 3 9s, and a bloody 8. Nah yeah, good sights make a difference, but you should still be able to hit the target with halfway decent sights, even if you stuff up the sight alignment. So don't be a sight snob, burning cash on sight instead of learning how to shoot. All the gear, no idea. Trigger fundamental is not hard to learn. All you need to do is to dry fire about 2 minutes a day. If you have time to watch TikTok in the dunny, you have time to dry fire. As you dry fire, make sure the trigger moves straight back and the gun shouldn't move as the hammer falls. As the hammer falls, do not loosen or tighten the grip, do not jerk and do it slowly at first. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Lots of people try to get a shot off too fast. They ended up jerking the trigger and pulling the gun off as it fires. This is usually hidden by recoil and muzzle blast. Some carry on like a pork chop as they whinge about how off their sights are. Don't be that guy. If you do everything right and your sights are off, you will still get a group, just not in the center. Let's see if I can do the same with a 6-shooter in double action. Oi, no rear sight. Far out, getting a light strike with CCI primer. I guess I will have to replace the main spring when I get home. Hey, at least the gun didn't move when the hammer fell, or I will be red-faced. Let's have a squiz. I am pretty stoked. Half-sized target, no rear sight and shooting double action. That's all folks. Remember, sight picture is important, but new shooters will benefit more from learning trigger control first. Good sight alignment and steady hands will come eventually.